All right, once you put your data into your spreadsheet, your Google Sheet, you want to make charts, graphs of each of the cam types. So I'm just here to show you how to do one. So let's just do eccentric first. So I'm going to select the eccentric, and then I'm either going to go to Insert and Chart, or you can just click the icon Insert Chart. It'll give you a chart. Usually it tries to guess what you want. This is not exactly what I want, even though it kind of shows the data. I want to go to a line chart, and it makes the line that I'm looking for. You can add some things here. Now that you have it, you just want to make it look a little better probably. It doesn't have the data along the bottom, so you have to add the x-axis. And so if you click on x-axis and select the data range, then we want the degrees along the bottom. Okay, so now we have our degrees, and it gives us a little more idea what's happening when. You probably should also click over here in the chart editor and customize, and you should add a title. Okay, the title for this one is eccentric. Okay, so I'm just going to make it look prettier. I like mine to be in the center and a little bolder. And that's really about all you have to do. You can change this, it's not right in the middle. If you want to go to vertical axis, this is not really required, but I could set my minimum value to more like 0.75 to bring it down, and my max value maybe to 2.25 to put it more in the middle. Nothing critical, but there you have your eccentric chart. Now when you want to put it in your presentation, let me bring over just a blank presentation. Okay, so in this presentation, if I go Insert, down here there's Chart. I can insert it straight from the sheet. It'll search for your most recent sheets, or you can type the title in here. I'm just going to wait a second. It should find it for me. Maybe. There we go. So it's my cam motion graphs. So I'm going to select that. It will find the graphs. If you have more than one, it'll have those. Go there. You want to link it to the spreadsheet, and you can import it, and bam, it's there. Okay, and it's linked. So watch if I move this over. I'm going to change this a little bit. Let's make it back into that edit chart. Let's make it back into that bar graph, like so. And then if we go over here, when we look here, it's like, oh, well, we did that. So look, it says update, and bam, it makes it bar graphs. You don't have to keep going back and forth if you made a change. Okay, so that's a neat way. You can always take a screenshot with your snipping tool and copy paste. That will also work. But this way it goes in there nice. And if you do make changes, it updates your presentation as you go. And that's about all there is to it. So now you want to go through and make for the hex, snail, pair, and square, and put those all onto your Google presentation as well. That's about it.